Hey, folks, this is Gareth Soloway for Traders Talk from InTheMoneyStocks.com. In today's video, I want to talk about the next macro bull market. And this is where I'm starting to accumulate and add positions. And again, it is in not the US, but in fact, in the Chinese area. And what we're going to look at is we're going to compare the Nasdaq chart to the Seng chart, which is the one of the stock markets over there in China. All right. So first and foremost, let's get right into the charts here and take a look at what the Nasdaq has done. And what you can see very clearly here, folks, is that the Nasdaq made this high in 2000, and then it spent a long time going sideways. And it actually took all the way into 2016 or so to finally break out to the upside from that 2000 peak. Now, why I bring this to your attention is that the Hang Seng stock market has basically done the same thing, but it hasn't broken out yet. And again, if you think about it, right, it took how many years? From 2000, 2015, 16 here, we'll call it 15 years. So what I want to do next is go over to the Hang Seng market and take a look at where this currently sits, right? So what we do here is we look at this same market and we look back and see, okay, here it was in 2000, right? 99, 2000. And here it was in 2007. It made a high pivot in 2007 right here. And look at how since 2007, we're now 15 years later, 15 years, folks. And the Hang Seng market is still going sideways. And again, this is a macro play. So we're talking over the next 5-10 years, but this makes a lot of sense for where the next bull market will be. And the charts align. And that's everything, folks. For me, it's all about charting. It's looking at history. History tends to rhyme, if not repeat. And you have to be ready for that. So again, these are the types of things we want to keep an eye on. I am bullish on the Hang Seng. That includes names like Chinese stocks like Alibaba and Baidu and Tencent and many of these other ones. I think overall, that is where money flow is going to go next to invest, as you'll see again, 1.5 billion consumers, Chinese consumers, potentially becoming more and more of the consuming type. That is what China wants to do with their market. They want to kind of recreate the independence that the US has, as it's based off the consumer spending versus outside, shipping and exports. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. My name again is Gareth Soloway, and I look forward to seeing more of you guys. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.